Hi, welcome to my video or welcome back. Thank you for joining me here for today's video where I want to share with you what I actually bought on my recent trip to Bicester Village. So Bicester Village is a luxury shopping outlet in the UK, close to London. So I made a little bit financial damages there, especially in Gucci and also in some on Burberry. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and I'm self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury handbags, but also non-designer fashion and all the fun stuff that we women enjoy, please consider joining my anonymous shopaholic club down below so we stay in this addiction together. Before I start this video, I want to say thank you. Thank you to all of you, especially to that over 500 of you who subscribe to my channel and who watch my videos. I thank all of you who, even if you are not subscribed, if you watch my videos, if you enjoy them, it means a lot to me. And it is, it just sounds cliche, like everybody's saying that, but when you create content for the internet, it really makes you happy and smile when you see that people are watching, that people are giving you like, that people are subscribing. So it is always, a smile on my face when I see that there is a new subscriber or comment or any activity on my videos. So I'm really happy to see that my channel is growing, and I don't know, this is probably not super fast to grow or, something amazing, but I really think it's great that so many people are watching my videos, that so many of you are subscribing. I don't know, it's something in this that, you see the response from people, then it makes you feel good about the stuff you are doing. So once again, thank you very much for being here, watching, subscribing, commenting. Even if you're a silent watcher, I appreciate you are here. So big thank you to all of you being here. So finally today I can share with you what I bought at my recent trip to Bicester Village, to the luxury shopping outlet. Probably most of you know what it is. So this is a luxury outlet. Not only luxury, there are also mid-level brands like Polo, Ralph Lauren, like, I don't know, Tommy Hilfiger, Fulla, and this kind of Coach, which is also mid-range, I guess. I always wanted to go to Bicester Village, and it's actually funny because yeah, it's just a shopping outlet, but I've heard about it like years ago when I started watching YouTube, probably nearly 10 years ago then, and I always had that like I want to go there, and it was never like on my way. So I was kind of really enjoying making this little bucket list thing to happen. And I want to share with you a little bit what I think about Bicester Village. So first of all, go there early because there is so many shops, and if you are like first time or you are really up to buying some things, then you will spend there a lot of time. And we went too late. We were there around 2 p.m. and we basically rushed to go to some stores at the end, and we didn't manage to probably go into half of them even. Probably not the best idea to go there on the weekends because it's probably more busy and crowded. We went there on Monday, which I thought there will be no stock because, after the weekend maybe the stock didn't arrive. I think it was okay. There was stock in there. From my experience, the shops that were worth visiting was for sure Gucci. It's a huge store. There was a big queue, but the queue was going pretty fast, and we joined the queue a little bit later when there was like less people, but it was really going fast. And it has like the two floors, and it's big, and there is a lot of stuff. And of course, depends what you are up for and what is your budget, and many different things. If you are new to luxury, you are building your collection, I think you will be probably more excited because there are some things that maybe people who are buying luxury for many years, they maybe already have them, like some scarves, some shoes, spoiler what I have here, and you might pick some bags. I am not a fan of these many bags which I think they are outlet made, because we all know, probably if you don't know, then you know from me, that Gucci is making some bags and some items probably in general only for outlets, and I think that some of the items I can easily spot which ones are made for outlet only, because some of them, they don't look really even Gucci to me. Like, they look like kind of fakes, I would say. And I have to admit that now I saw some of those in the UK outlet, but it wasn't bad. There was a lot of stuff which I was interested to buy. When I visited Gucci outlet very briefly in Barcelona in last summer, there was nothing interesting. It was horrible, and most of the stuff looked like fake, like especially the bags, I mean, or the SLGs. So yeah, it's a hit or miss. as we know, as outlets are. I would say that, of course, Dior was really miss. It was not so much interesting things. I could find some amazing heels, but the sizing was just few sizes available, so you were very lucky if the size was yours. So not much excitement about Dior, I think. I was very unlucky with YSL because again, there was nothing interesting in there. In my opinion, I think they were boring bags and not classic bags. So that was not really interesting. And as I mentioned, I didn't have time to really go into many boutiques. Some of them I just walked in, had a look, and then walk out. I spent quite a bit of time in Givenchy, and I tried the bag that I'm interested in, this Givenchy mini Mystic tote, and I just made at the end to Prada, which I didn't have much time there. I recommend you to get there early and have that in mind that you will be walking a lot, you will be shopping a lot, you will get tired. So have that in mind that you also have to sit, have a coffee and rest and have food and stuff. So really take your time and spend the whole day, because half day we went there, it was definitely way too little. So I wanted at the beginning to share with you what I think, my experience about Bicester Village, maybe some recommendation what I would do differently or what you should do if you go there. So I hope this is useful, but definitely go there even if you don't buy anything. It's really fun and you can try a lot of stuff, and yeah, it's fun. So definitely go there. Now let's jump to the shopping. So my biggest splurge was at Gucci. So I have here 3 things to share, and let's start maybe with this one, which is on the top. So this is a scarf. That's probably making a lot of noise. So obviously, or not so obvious maybe. If not obvious, then I'm admitting I am a scarfaholic. I buy scarves all the time, everywhere, and I have shared already few on my channel, and I have like tons of those non-designer ones. So seriously material for a collection video if anybody interested. I have a thing with scarves, and I never said I'm normal, right? So let's just live with that. So I got this scarf and I actually kept it in that plastic because I wanted to share with you how the scarves might come out of outlets. So they are not packaged in this beautiful, you know, box and ribbon and stuff. They might be actually given to you in this kind of plastic bag. So yeah. And it has a sticker over here which says what is it. And I'm saying this because I bought a scarf, a pink one from Vestiaire. Actually, I have it here. So I got this one out of Vestiaire a while ago, and I wasn't sure how they authenticate the scarves because I sent it for authentication, obviously. And I was like, how do they know like it's a scarf, and how does it come packaged? And it came packaged like this. So I'm saying this because if you are buying something out of Vestiaire or some secondhand and then it comes packed like this, then actually it can come. That's why I'm saying that. So this scarf, when it came from Vestiaire, it was also packaged in plastic, and later I also saw in Barcelona that they had this, maybe not this color, but exactly the same style of scarves in an outlet there. Then I realized, okay, so that's probably an outlet scarf. Because yeah, I was, you know, the Vestiaire, they have this bad opinion that there is so many fakes slipping through there. So I was worried that maybe I paid for something which wasn't original. But after seeing how it comes actually from outlets, I think that, okay, that's original. That wasn't, you know, I wasn't cheated. So I took this scarf, which is a dusty pink color and a kind of, you know, dirty blush. I really like this kind of shades, pink. Anyway, pink is really my color, and the scarf is huge. It's 140 centimeters, so it's a huge square. And okay, maybe I shouldn't open all of it, but it has 2 colors, or kind of 2 sides. So it has the side which is more pink, more of the blush color, and then the other side has like a white and just this pink peeking through. So it can be actually worn both ways. It's not a thick one, but it's a big one. So it is rather thin, like kind of spring scarf. So it is huge. And I guess it could be also styled somehow as a dress or something. For sure, it can be something nice can be done with it. However, as I know myself, I'm too lazy and too and not creative in that matter, so I probably won't do it. I only wear them as a scarf, or eventually I might wear them here, like on my shoulders. Yes, so that's the first thing. And the price, I can't remember now, but I think it was £170. It was 50% off the price of the retail price. That's item number one, this beautiful scarf, because of course I never can have too many scarves. And the next thing, as you can see, these are shoes. So let's just not prolong this because it's already probably very long. So, and here we have again the outlet packaging. You get everything with all the plastic around. So I picked sneakers. The plastic out. So I got sneakers in this beautiful dusty pink or dusty blush color. And I really loved it. Like, I really like this kind of dusty pink colors, this kind of girly colors. So when I saw them, I was like, oh no, no way, these are mine if the size is available. And yeah, they had sizes. I tried two sizes, like, I don't know if this was 36 Italian. I think I tried 36 and a half, so a little bit bigger. So they had all the sizes. And these shoes, they were £220, and they were down from 490, I think. I will double check that and put it somewhere here. But the price was really, really good, and they were also there in black, which I actually regret I didn't get the black as well, and some other color, can't remember, some light color. And because where I live in Iceland, I mean, this is the price that you would pay for Nike. And when I see this kind of deals in luxury outlet, I'm like, oh my goodness, this is like price of Nike shoes here. I think for designer shoes, this is like really crazy. So let me get the other one. So yeah, that's the pair, and this is the scarf. So this is a little set, a very beautiful set. And it came also with dust bags and some spare laces and basically everything. These dust bags, they are actually very nice and very luxurious, not like the new ones. I actually don't like the new ones. They kind of feel like, leftovers of some, rope production. And these are like, like silk. Of course, I don't think it's silk, but it looks much more luxurious. I like them much more. These are the sneakers, and now let's move on to the third thing, which is a bag. So yes, I got a little bag, and it's not this Soho Disco bag. Anyway, from the size of the box, it couldn't be Soho Disco bag. So let's get into this one. And this is a bag which I would not think I will buy, because I used to have some rules about buying bags. Well, maybe not rules, but some things that were crossing the bag out of the question. And then in this situation, that didn't apply apparently. This is such a cutie, and I did not plan to buy this. I was like, oh, can I try this? And I'm not going to buy it. Like it's not. No, I'm not going to buy it. I just want to try it. And then, here we go. So I got this tiny little Sylvie bag, like a micro mini Sylvie bag. Yes, it is tiny. Yes, it doesn't fit my phone, which all bags supposed to fit my phone, but no, that doesn't. And I'm okay with it. I guess this is a bag. I think it's a more decoration bag than really a bag to have really much purpose. So this little cutie, of course, comes with a chain. This chain actually can be detached because it has this kind of loop thing here. So yeah, it can be used without chain, but I don't think I will use it without chain. And it even has this kind of like a key, click key, this kind of thing, and just open space inside. So, well, I really love this bag, and when I was buying it, or when I was trying it, I wasn't buying it, right? I wasn't buying it, and then yeah, something happened in the meantime. I had the green coat, and I will put you like a clip here. It looks so amazing. It was so hard that day to resist any bag which was like red or also yellow. I was about to, I really thought about buying that yellow Givenchy bag, also mini bag, which was a little bit bigger than this. You have to have some fun bags, some exceptions in your collection. It's just fun piece, I guess, and I have to accept that. But honestly, just looking at it, it makes me so happy. I don't know why. I just find this bag so beautiful and so pleasing to my eyes. So yeah, and the price, yeah, so the bag was I think 700, originally was supposed to be 795 pounds, and I paid for it 400, so I paid half price for it. So I think that was a very good deal for having this kind of exception. So this is the latest baby which is joining my bag collection. And the last item is from Burberry, and not maybe hard to guess what I could get in Burberry. I got a trench coat. So I got this pale pink, kind of a little bit dusty, a little but pale pink, a very neutral color, I would say. It's a very nice color. I think very good neutral for people who are a pale skin like me. And I got this one for, I think the price should be here, 415 pounds. So that's the price. On some other ones I saw that the price was, I think, 600 something. Not all of them apparently had the price before and after. And I'm not really sure if this is a trench coat that was really in Burberry stores or this is an outlet item. Possibly, I think it might be outlet item, but I don't care. I like it, and the price point was amazing for real, like, proper Burberry trench. So it has, of course, that Burberry check inside, which is the nice and fun thing to have. At least I enjoy. And it is not a I mean, it's a classic cut, but it's not a classic trench because it is made of this kind of material, like a raincoat. So it's basically, you know, a raincoat kind of trench. So it's a very good thing for me, for the climate that I live in, when, you know, 95% of the year it's raining. So this is something that I can actually wear. And it's hard to see here, but I will show you clips which I already showed you in my vlog. I was trying this and the red one, and I went for this one with a strong opinion of my boyfriend, and also I asked the salesperson. I was really into the red one as well, and to be honest, I regret I didn't buy both of them because the price was very good for this kind of classic item, and is very useful and practical for, you know, all sorts of weather. So I actually should have bought also the red one. And also they had black and some kind of beige, but they didn't have much sizes in those, you know, more classic colors. So I got the pink, and anyway, I think I was not that interested in any of those other ones. I was more into the colors. And I think that pink is perfect, it's beautiful, it's, as I said, it's a neutral for pale skin people. So really great deal. And it has that hood here, which is also very good for rainy countries, and the hood you can of course take out if you don't want to use it, or you are not living in a rainy country or whatever. I'm really happy with all the purchases that I made at Bicester Village, and really looking forward to go there again. So I really recommend you go and check Bicester Village. It was really fun day. We both enjoyed it. Yes, my boyfriend actually likes shopping. So really, yeah, if you get a chance, then definitely go and have a look. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here on this channel. And until next time, take care. Bye, guys.